Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious tacos on the grill, step by step. First, let's get everything ready. Choose your favorite protein like chicken, beef, or fish and marinate it for at least 30 minutes to infuse flavor. Next, prepare your fresh vegetables by slicing onions, bell peppers, and jalapenos. Finally, gather your tortillas, cheese, and all your desired toppings so they are ready for assembly later. Now, let's get grilling. Preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your marinated protein directly on the grates. Grill until it's cooked through and has beautiful sear marks. For chicken, ensure it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Flip it once or twice to ensure even cooking and a perfect finish on all sides. With your protein resting, it's time for the vegetables and tortillas. Lightly oil your sliced veggies and grill them until they are tender crisp, about 3 to 5 minutes per side. Then, warm your tortillas directly on the grill for about 30 seconds on each side. This quick grill time adds a wonderful smoky flavor and makes them perfectly pliable, preventing them from breaking when you fold your tacos. Finally, the best part, assembly. Dice or shred your perfectly grilled protein into bite-sized pieces. Take your warm, smoky tortillas and layer them with the protein, grilled vegetables, and your favorite cheese. Don't forget to add fresh toppings like vibrant salsa, creamy guacamole, or fragrant cilantro. Now, you're ready to enjoy your incredible homemade grilled tacos. Happy eating!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.